like JJ. You better keep a track how many times you looked out for them dudes. They'll end up using you. They'll get a step ahead of you and run right over you. Hand on the watch, never stop, tick-tock. You end up losing that race, get a grip, homie. Hell yeah, you better wear your good shoes. Life ain't no stopwatch, keep my eyes still. Hell yeah, I stay on watch. Looked over and outside, hell yeah, it's a race walk. Hell yeah, it's hard to face the fact. No matter what fact, it's hard to look at myself through this broken glass. I know who I am, just a little nigga trying to make a way. Shit, just too easy to give up or look away. Hell yeah, I'm looking my demons right in their face, knowing damn well I might die that way. Shit, ain't no way to avoid the fate. Every day, everybody claim I'm real, that's a quote. Hell yeah, that's what they say. Shit, even niggas with money selling bad bitches fake dreams. Time is so overlooked, you can't buy that back, man. You bet not waste my summertime or summer 16. So overlooked, it's already sleep over. They already changed into their PJs. I try so hard to keep it 100 every day. Hell yeah, buddy, I want my change. Tryna break these broke chains. I just hope my third eye see them government chains. Got a clean suit on, hell yeah, they hands dirty from they soil ways. How long this pain supposed to last? Shit, can't remember the last time somebody asked about my day. Hell yeah, I'm hurting, but I be okay. Just swerving, hell yeah, I'm in my own lane. Hell yeah, you'll be a fool to cut me off, nigga, press play. It's 3 in the morning, they still sleeping on me. I-double-A, bitch, gone.
Give me a hell yeah. I said give me a hell yeah.
Niggas say they woke. They gotta be a fucking joke. Give them a pillow, a sheet, then let them niggas sleep though.
Drinks are made to be cheap, but you can't get no why you niggas sleep though. So I keep my eyes open, slide cops, I can't be sleeping no more.
Nigga ain't fucking with you, only fucking with the family. Family above all, NIP.
Ain't no way y'all fuck
This
with
is a
our
story that was
family tree.
told. Niggas better really listen though. Niggas better really